Always something interesting to talk about, and you're one area of the market that you really like a lot right now, big pharma and medical devices. Comes to mind considering that April began with this big biotech meltdown. Why are you still encouraged that these stocks are where you want to be?
No, that's a great question. I think it's really important to look at what the background in the industry has been. So in 2000, we mapped the human genome for the first time, and that was a 15-year project. And at the time when they did that, they said it would be about 15 years before we started seeing a new class of drugs on the market. And here we are at 2014, and sure enough, that's where we are. We're starting to see some really interesting names come out as far as new products are concerned. We really like Bristol-Myers, for example. It's a stock that met our growth screen, and they have a great oncology products that are a great oncology pipeline that's starting to mature, and we're very optimistic about that particular part of the market.
Another stock in that realm is Hologic. It's diagnostics for women's health. What about that stock in particular? Because it's had some volatility in the past year.
Yes, that's exactly right. And it's actually kind of interesting with the biotech meltdown that's gone on. A lot of money has started rotating into the medical devices. So some of these medical device companies recently have been kind of strong. But Hologic is interesting. They have the first 3D mammography machine that's come to market. It's a brand new breakthrough in women's breast health. It allows for the detection of breast cancer 1 to 2 years earlier. What's interesting, why it's been a little volatile, is it's hard to know when reimbursement is going to occur. So we're waiting on reimbursement prices to be set. But once that occurs, the actual sales of the machines is a nice positive. But the software upgrades carry about 90 to 95% gross margins, and that's where the earnings kicker come in.
So this sector, do you buy on weakness when you see weakness in the market in general?
Yes, we do. Actually, we have a system where we have a buy list, and so we're constantly putting money to work on, we look for value companies and for growth companies, and so we're constantly putting money to work.